everybody and welcome to Music with Meg's Violin School. Today we're learning We Wish You a Merry Christmas.
Everybody follow me, it's Music with Meg.
So we're in the key of G. Let's just remind ourselves the key of G with a G major scale. Beginning on the G string, we're going to do 2 octaves. And back down. Great, now we begin on the D string, and as we begin on an upbeat, we're going to start on an up bow. But don't start too high towards the tip of the bow. You want to start about halfway down the bow, because else you'll end up doing a super long up bow, and we don't want that. Here we go, D, G, and then we're going to play this A with our 4th finger. 4th finger. And again, D, G, G, A, G, F sharp, E. Good, and then we repeat that pattern but beginning on E. So we play E, A, open string, B, A, G, F sharp, D, open D. And then we're going from D up to B, C natural, so that's our finger 2 close to our finger 1, low finger 2. Good, B, A, G, E, D, D. Now we're going to do those 2 Ds with hooked bowing. So 2 up bows, we're going to stop the bow between each one. D, D, E. Stretch for our 4th finger here for A. F sharp, finger 2. And G. Good. Let's just play that verse again. So we start on an up bow. Great. Now we're on to the chorus. So we've got halfway down our bow on this G, and we're going to do another up bow. So again, it's a hooked bow. Open D, G, 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 F sharp. Try and make those bows nice and smooth. F sharp again on a hooked bow. So up, G, F sharp, E, D. And again from that F sharp, hooked bow. And a hooked bow for the A. So A, B, A, G, G. And then our finger 3 is going from finger 3 on the D string to finger 3 on the A string. So what you want to do here is try and get your finger 3 resting across both strings so that you don't have to take it off one and put it on the other. So have another go at that. And across. Good, and again. So our finger 3 is resting on both strings. And from that bit again. D, and then we're doing our octave to our open D. So make sure that that 3rd finger D is nice and in tune, because if it's not, it'll be really obvious when you play that octave. A, B, A, G, G, D, open D. Good, D, D, E. Stretch for this A, finger 4. Finger 2, F sharp, G. Good. Let's go from the second half there, from this D, up bow. everybody. Now let's put it all together from the beginning. We're going to begin on an up bow on D. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We're going to play that as a duet. So you keep playing the main tune and have a listen while I play the harmony for you. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Great work today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed learning We Wish You a Merry Christmas with me. Don't forget to follow me on social media, and if you want access to all the violin school lessons and extra material, then find me on Patreon at patreon.com/musicwithmeg. Have a lovely Christmas, everybody, and a very happy New Year. Bye!